skipper Zaid asking for the toss, and that's the lineup for Prince of Wales. Waba Veerasinghe, WAP Fernando, De Silva, Pereira, Abesundara, Gunaratne, and coming up next will be the Zaira College team. There you go. That's Amjad, Atik, D. There you go, that's the kickoff. And joining me here in the commentary box, that's SW Chang. Chang, good evening.
Good evening, good evening. Oh, the pass is done well.
Well, that's a good start, you can see that. Razik and Minaj, but the real danger man, there you go on the screen, number 12, Razik. Some two brilliant carries. And break there by the number 8, that's Safu. Can he go all the way? He's been held back. Once again, second one. Dean, Mohammed Dean completes that move.
Singawansa, the fly half, to add the 2 points. It should be easy. Makes it clear. And apparently I was
Fernando. But however, Zaira securing position. They have to kick the ball up. It's a block. Can it be a try? Unfortunate. Didn't come out his way. But once again, under pressure. Good charge down there by Zaira College, and Razik. He's breaking free. He's been the danger man. And this is single answer. Try number 2. Fantastically done. Zaira putting a lot of pressure with 2 minds whether to run it down or kick. But Singer wants him to go on the blind. Short side of the field. Well, Zaira line was offside, so a lot of people how they position the ball.
Yeah, I know the bullet kick. Actually, the kicks look good. The flags go up, so the first points on the board for Prince of Wales. So
well, they're opting to run for that. They're opting to run that ball around instead of fitness training. Singawansa puts the ball up in the air, and good charge down there by the corners. Good pickup and good hands. Very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. So nice. They regroup. Amat with the ball. Sends it in, nicely controlled. The number 8 breaks free. He sends it to Amat. Amat to Singawansa to Razik. And can he go all the way? Well, in fact, it's try number score. It's Minaj. Making no mistake. Beautifully done.
Away or conceding a penalty by holding on. As with the conversion's good, the flags go up. The crowd will. I won't be surprised Zaira runs from this position because they're a good running side and well supported by the third row there.
Good to see the fullback coming into play, and could this be try number 4? Look at that run. How beautiful! Can he be stopped? Beautiful run, Lantra. Zaira team, but it's against a turnover, and it's a powerful run. He's been brought down. Good charge down. Well, seems like a card coming out, is it? Well, so it's the usual stuff. You go and plead with the referee. Sir, please don't do it. But that's all I can say. Knock forward. A lot of mistakes that they have to 40 points mark here. But at the moment, it's the half time, 21 points to 3, and Zaira College leading against Prince of Wales. But unfortunately, missed opportunities. Well, continuing with me is SW Chang. Chang, it's the second half. The game is on. Not much of chance there for Singawansa. He's been brought down. Good tackling there by Prince of Wales. Good quick hands. Can he go all the way? This time he makes no mistake. Good finish there. And Singawansa makes no mistake. And 28. That's the number 8, and that's Safu. No chance of drilling through the defense, but this time Ahmad trying his best. Can he do that? Can he go all the way? He does the Boyagoda this time. Beautiful try. Well, probably wind playing a part. They're a little bit disorganized and they need a little bit of talking as well, but that's a gap again that they create. And can he go all the way? Beautiful pick up and run there by Lantra. And Lantra scores, makes no mistake. He's going for the post. Beautiful quick hands, good support play. This is what we
may I call it in a bracket, the bigger known schools as the conversion is good because the referees
said the heads are down, but Zaira, they are on a roll. Kick and chase. Beautifully put that into the Prince of Wales territory. Look at that pace. And once again, it's Lantra. Can he go all the way? Well, sensible thing to do. It's an on-field call. So we're talking about the screen. So, well, chance for Zaira. The number 8 breaks and gives it to Ahmad. Ahmad makes this no mistake. Try number 2 for Ahmad. And Zaira, 45 points.
Machines are on. The guns are on. Conversions is on. Yes. A successful conversion.
Wesley under-18s coach Paul Toya taking some notes actually, so you can see how serious they're taking Zaira, and Zaira has been a threat this season. So that's PCS Fernando, well, in fact that's BN Taranga going for that kick, and
the buttocks are up there. They're not going down and bringing the shove into it. They're just leaning into the scrummages. Beautiful run, beautiful run. Still have all the water offload.
Singhavansa to Lantra. Lantra going for try number 2. Makes no mistake. Good combination, Singhavansa and Lantra. Singhavansa got that opportunity. He broke free.
Will remain for next season.
Well, it's quite interesting. Probably, Mike, I have to go to run that ball. That's their strength so far it has been. And once again, it's quickly taken. This time, it's Ahmad again. Can he go all the way? Good hands. Support play comes into play. Lantra. That's hat-trick. Try number 3 for Lantra. Beautifully done by Zaira boys. Score moves up.
And hopefully with this conversion, it will be 2 points out of 7. Yes, it looks good. So he's
nicely done there by De Silva, in fact. Well, the tackler not rolling away.
They're definitely having a party because they're really training themselves. The conversion looks good. Yes, the flags go up.
And
so that's nice.
Doesn't go that deep, but good enough to gain some yardage. But it seems to be a high tackle. Yes, a yellow card coming out. It is a yellow card. It's a clean one. It was very, very sensible call by the referee, Nando. Oh, it's pick up and run. Taranga going for the kick. It didn't have much distance. Oh, it was close one. Very close one. Didn't see that Prince of Wales player coming. Zaira defense was a little bit caught napping on that occasion. It's a loose ball. Absolutely. It's an opportunity missed there by the Prince of Wales boys running there. And Minhaj has to go and clear that ball away. And the big lad, that's Dean, who has already scored a try. Plenty of fresh strokes. And good support play. Is it Lantra? It is. Try number 4 for them. He's pretty much unstoppable, isn't it? He knows how to rotate his players. That was a funny one by Minhaj. Once again, good attacking play there by Prince of Wales. And Zaira, a lot of hands on the ruck. Another player, Captain Azhar and Minhaj. And as we speak, Taranga goes for the kick and makes no mistake this time.
64 points, giving away a penalty, too eager to score.
Well, there you go. That's the final whistle. What a game. Fantastic day for Zaira.
Have gone in a better plan in the sense where they are meeting Wesley. They would have gone and just tried to go into the corners, had their scrummages rather than